Welcome to FlowPrompt. FlowPrompt is a visual programming language designed specifically for AI. Unlike a simple chatbot conversation, FlowPrompt has its own grammar, allowing it to execute structured workflows, parallel processes, loops, decisions, and error handling in a predictable way. Modern AI models are powerful, but they are not applications by themselves. They need orchestration. FlowPrompt provides that orchestration layer, turning individual AI responses into a reliable system that can perform complex tasks automatically. Let me show you why that matters. Imagine I ask an AI chatbot to write a complete textbook about a business plan. I type, "Write me a textbook about business plans," and create a PDF. When we open it, we quickly see the problem here. This isn't really a textbook. It's only a few pages long. Important sections are missing, details are missing, and although the AI says the task is complete, the result is far from a complete 300-page book. Now let's try a different approach. First, I ask the AI to create a table of contents, and the AI will generate a list of chapters. Then I take the first paragraph out and ask the AI to create subchapters. Then I take the first subchapter and I ask the AI to write several paragraphs about that subchapter. I do this process again and again and again, and eventually I'm stuck with the same response. The AI has now gone off track, and I have become the workflow engine. I am manually coordinating every step of the process. This is where FlowPrompt comes in. Let's take a look at a workflow. Here you can see the visual grammar of FlowPrompt. The process begins with a single input node. The information flows through the workflow, moving from node to node. Notice this section here. This is a loop. The workflow automatically breaks the book into chapters, processes each chapter individually, and continues until every second is complete. Further down, the workflow assembles the results into a finished document. What would have required hundreds of manual prompts can now run automatically through a structured AI workflow. The flow shown here is a fairly advanced one, and we will explain it into greater detail later in this course. In the next lessons, we'll start with much simpler flows and learn the core concepts step by step. If you're curious about this book writing flow, you can just jump directly into lesson 4, where we'll break it down completely. Otherwise, continue to the next lesson, and let's start building your first FlowPrompt workflow.